back again with another video. So today I bought 2 vehicles using business credit only, no documentation, as far as they asked me for no pay stubs. This is the reason why I tell you to work on your personal credit, because they are going to pull your personal credit, but they pull your personal credit to personally guarantee the loan. But I bought 2 vehicles and both of them are on my business credit and will not show up as a loan on my personal credit. So that is very important. And I'm supposed to be going the weekend also too to look at semi trucks, but everything that I talk about in my videos, I do myself personally. So I never come on here and talk about anything that I've heard or haven't done myself personally. Take this information and apply it to whatever part of the business in the process that you're in currently as far as your business needs. I needed a pickup truck, and then I'll explain the details in a second, but I'm going to show you the cars and I'll explain the details on why I got 2 cars. But as you can see, all right, and of course my car is still there, bikes, but as you see, 2 new vehicles. So I needed a truck, so that explains why I purchased the truck. Now with the truck weighs over 6,000 pounds, so it will be a 100% tax deduction, okay? So I needed a truck, and because this truck weighs over 6,000 pounds, I put it in the business name. I will be able to get a tax deduction for it. So essentially this truck is free, right? Because I'm gonna get 100% tax write-off on this. And this car, I am thinking of it being a Turo car. So I'm going to check out Turo. I'm going to try Turo out, and you know, we're going to start with the Cadillac CT5, this truck, and of course it's a high country. All right, got the 22-inch wheels on it, the automatic step bars on it, you know, leather interior, navigation, you know, all the good stuff. So that's the truck, this is the car. All right, of course Cadillac CT5, you know, one of the ultimate luxury vehicles, you know, in my opinion. All right, so 2 new vehicles. So now the truck, I needed a truck, and because that truck weighs over 6,000 pounds, that is definitely a tax deduction. It is 100% in the business name. The car is also in the business name as well, and what I plan to do with the car is put it on Turo. So that should bring in another form of income. That car should pay for itself. Like I said earlier, this is why I tell you to work on your personal credit, because I walked into the dealership and I told them that I wanted a truck, I needed a truck, and then when I saw it, you know, I was going to put it in the business name, you know, because, you know, tax deductions and things like that. Now, when they sent the truck over to the bank, you know, they sent it to 2 different banks. I got an approval from both banks. So what I did was I went with both of them. So instead of just getting the truck, I put the truck on one of the approvals and I put the car on the other approval. So I was able to get 2 cars, you know, at the same time, both of them in the business name. Also, with that being said, the cars are not going to report to my personal credit. Yes, they pull my personal credit to qualify me for the vehicles, but that's it. They just check my credit just to see. But as for the financing aspect of it, the truck and the car will report to my business only. They will not report to my personal credit. So the amount for these cars are not going to show up on my personal credit, and they both are tax deductions. So with that being said, I was able to get 2 cars, don't report to my personal credit, and they are tax write-offs. 2 vehicles at the same time, and you can repeat this, you know, over and over and over again, you know, depending on how good your credit is. And I am going to go look at a semi truck. I plan on purchasing a semi truck. Now, I'm pretty sure I won't purchase 2 semis at the same time, but I do have it on my agenda for the weekend to go take a look at semi trucks. I'll let you guys know how that go. I'm just looking for, you know, the right situation, right price. I got good deals on both of these cars, so I couldn't pass that up. But the point of all of this, guys, is set yourself up, put yourself in position, because at some point you shouldn't be financing cars or anything in your personal name once you set your business up properly. And all this going to do is show that my business have good payment history, and then you can start getting into bigger things like property, houses and stuff like that, and be able to do real estate and things like that. So this shows that, you know, you put things in the business name. This is 2 trade lines on my business now. That's only going to make the business credit even stronger when I start looking into real estate and those type of things and use the business credit, because at some point I won't have to personal guarantee any of these things. I'll be able just to use my tax ID number, and they can put it all in the business name, and I won't have to personally guarantee it at all. But before you get to that point, you have to work on your personal credit, and then you start personally guaranteeing things, so basically co-signing for your business. And then once your business have enough trade lines and showing enough positive payments history on your business, you'll be able to get things just in your business name completely without even running your personal credit. But that's a stepping stone. You have to build your business to that level in order to be able to do that. So let me know what you think. Are you working on your personal credit? Are you establishing your business credit? Go ahead and start your business right now. Now, also, let me say this. Starting a business is not for everybody, but this is for those who want to start trucking companies, and your plans and your goals are to start a successful business and start building business credit. So this is not for everybody. This is not financial advice, and it's not for everybody, but for those who do have an entrepreneurial mindset and they're trying to build your business, then, you know, these are some of the things that you have to do. You have to work on your personal credit, you have to establish your business, and you have to start putting and getting trade lines reporting to your business, positive trade lines, and then eventually you'll be able to move all the debt off of your personal credit onto your business, like cars, trucks, real estate, whatever it may be, and you will be able to just rely on your business. Your business will be able to stand by itself solely just by using your tax ID number. So thank you guys as always for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, see you in the next video.